Welcome to the University of Wolverhampton. My name's Craig Williams and I'm going to talk about festive fireworks and how we can impart different colours to the same chemical mixture. So the first thing to do is we'll detonate or even burn the initial mixture, which is a chlorate and sugar mixture which has potassium in, and that gives a faint, feeble lilac colour, which will not be impressive, I assure you. So we'll do that now. A soupçon of acid to set the reaction going. Well, we did get some colour, and it was lilac, but I think we can do better than that. So I'll start to prepare another mixture. See you in a minute. Now we're going to start seeing some in-depth colour, I hope. So I've got my sugar, and this time I've added some strontium nitrate to it. Now strontium should give a very strong red coloration. That's what I call a red flame, nice and intense, not the wishy-washy lilac flame we saw the first time round. So next time we'll be looking at another colour, and I think it's going to be orange, who knows. Right, so we're now ready for our next colour, which should be orange, calcium sulfate. Yeah. That was a little reticent in starting, but once it did get going, I think you'll agree we did see some orange there, though we did see that cheeky little lilac peeping through from the potassium. But in the main, we saw the orange of the calcium. And now we're on to my favourite colour, green. Barium chloride. The barium and the chloride in combination should produce a nice deep green. So our next colour, he says consulting the luminary tone, is blue. And now to the blue flame I was talking about. Cuprous chloride or copper 1 chloride. There we go, a couple of drops. Ooh. Now we're going to get a bit more adventurous. We're going to try and make a purple flame by combining a little bit of our copper 1 with some of the strontium. So we had a blue flame and a red flame. I'll combine them together with the sugar and hopefully we'll see a purple flame. Set us off and see what happens. Oh! A bit of purple magic for a second, and then it's all gone. A bit like Christmas, really. Right, and now for our final colour, silver, which is going to be used, well, we're using aluminium powder. Silver. Wow. It was silvery and sparkly too. Well, season's greetings and goodbye from me, and I think it's goodbye from him as well.